Hi, my name is Rosemary, and I'm here to share my story with you and let you know what had happened to us. We, like all those other Americans out there, had suffered some financial setback, and we had reached out for help to two separate companies, let down by both, who had scammed us and taken our money. We had made some wrong choices. We decided to give it one more shot, and we found a reputable company. We found Ryan, who was there to help us and who was there to show us how to qualify for a government program, how we can lower our bills and lower our mortgage and save at least $1,000 a month. We were able to go to sleep at night with a clear conscience, knowing that, you know, we were doing the right thing. And there was a company out there who was honest and reputable and was there for us, whether it be via phone call any time of day, internet services, always had us updated with information on things we needed to do and things that were going on. And if it weren't for Ryan and his company, I'm not sure what would have happened. But I can honestly tell you that we did make the right decision, and it was definitely the right choices for me, my family, my home, and our safety, knowing that we can sleep at night having gone to Ryan. So if you have any questions, I'd be more than happy to tell you my story in more detail, so feel free to give us a call. Thank you.